Subang Ground, good morning, Avenger 7903.
Subang Ground, confirm for city area 1005.
Affirm, but we are going to Port Klang first and then to city area, 1,500 feet as per flight plan.
Check your flight plan first. 793, start approved.
Start is approved for Avenger 7903. Avenger 7903, request taxi for holding point runway 15 and ready to copy ATC.
793, taxi Romeo initially.
Taxi Romeo initially, Avenger 7903.
793, continue Tango, holding point runway 15.
Continue Tango to holding point runway 15, 7903.
793, cleared to Port Klang, 1,500 feet, squad 3402. Advise to traffic unit 05 Tango and unit 702, both Tango 40, inbound Johor to Subang, Port Klang 0130 and number 20142, heading 1,000 feet.
Clear to Port Klang 1,500 feet, squawk is 3402 and copy traffic, Avenger 7903. Avenger 7903, approaching holding point Golf.
793, hold Golf, request POB field.
Hold Golf, 2 POB, endurance is 4 hours, 30 minutes.
793, contact Tower 1182.
Contact Subang Tower 118.2, good day, Avenger 7903. Subang Tower, good morning, Avenger 7903. Holding point Golf, we'll call again when ready. This will be a normal. Welcome to Adventure Flying Club. This is your Captain Francis speaking. So we'll be taking off from runway 15, okay, towards Port Klang 27. And if by the time we reach the next exit and the airspeed doesn't come alive, I'll stop the airplane. Well, what's wrong? If after rotation there's engine failure, I will pitch out, land on the runway ahead of us. After rotation and engine failed, then I will land on the golf course right in front of us. So the flight should take approximately 9 minutes to Port Klang, and we'll spend about 5 minutes, and we'll come back here and transition to city. So, okay. Subang Ground, Avenger 7903, ready for departure at Golf.
793, line up runway 15.
Line up runway 15, Avenger 7903.
Mile 04, turning finals for touching door 15. Continue approach at mile 04.
Turning final door.
793, climb 1,000 feet, left turn runway 15, correction right turn runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Right turn, climb 1,000 feet, runway 15, clear for takeoff, Avenger 7903. Hey, okay, go on. Hey, engine live, ready, live, and off, speed, up. Approaching Port Klang 1,000 feet.
793, contact lampu info 1261.
Contact Lopo 126, that's the one, good day, Avenger 793. Lopo info, good morning, Avenger 793.
Avenger 793, lampu info morning, lampu QNH 1011. And I confirm you are maintaining 1,000 feet.
QNH is 1011, can we request to climb to 1,500 feet?
Avenger 793, roger, thank you, and I clear at 1,500.
Avenger 793 completed Port Klang, 1,500 feet, rejoining Subang.
Copy that, stand by for transfer.
Standing by for transfer, Avenger 793.
Avenger 793 switching to Subang Tower now 118.2.
Switch over to Subang Tower 118.2. Good day, Avenger 793.
Good day.
Subang Tower, good morning, Avenger 793, Port Klang 1,500 feet. Request rejoin and transition to city area.
Avenger 793 clear to the west of the airfield 1000 feet, Subang Chinese 1012, report west of the airfield.
Clear to west of the airfield to 1,000 feet. Report again when airfield in sight for Avenger 793.
793.
Avenger 793, west of the airfield 1,000 feet. Airfield visual.
793 track for Shah Alam Stadium, 1000 feet.
Tracking to Shah Alam Stadium 1,000 feet. 7. Avenger 793 above Shah Alam Stadium 1,000 feet.
Avenger 793 cross active to report east of the airfield.
Okay, clear to cross active. Report again east of the airfield, Avenger 793. Avenger 793 east of the airfield 1,000 feet.
So 793 report PJ. Good morning, approaching Zulu.
Call again PJ, Avenger 793.
Fly 1669, confirm by Papa November, sir.
Up to you, sir. Video with button.
Roger, looking out.
Points and lines. Points.
Locked out, visual draft, number 1.
Runway 15, number 2.
Port Klang, runway 15, number 2.